Next problem, C is the center, A dash and B dash are the major axis and minor axis of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And if Pn is the ordinate of a point B on the ellipse, then show that Pn whole square by A dash and into An is equals to BC whole square by CA whole square. So given that C is the center and A dash and B dash are the major axis and minor axis of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. Now this is the given ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. C is the center of the ellipse. This is the center. And also given that A dash and B dash are the major axis and minor axis of the ellipse, which are like that. So what is the length of the major axis? 2a. Then what is the half of the value is equals to a. And length of the minor axis is equals to 2b. Then the half of the value is equals to b here. This is b and this is equals to a. Now, also given that Pn is the ordinate of a point on the ellipse. So first we take the point P on the ellipse and the coordinates of P is taken as a cos theta comma b sin theta. Any point on the ellipse is taken as in the form of a cos theta comma b sin theta. What is Pn is the ordinate, means we are drawing one perpendicular from P to the major axis. This is the perpendicular. Now here Pn is the perpendicular which is drawn from P to the major axis. Given that Pn is the ordinate, y coordinate. So clearly here we have that a cos theta b sin theta point. Therefore the value of Cn is equals to a cos theta and the value of Pn is equals to b sin theta. This is y coordinate Pn and this is x coordinate a cos theta. X coordinate is equal to Cn a cos theta. Y coordinate is equals to Pn, that is b sin theta. Now show that Pn whole square by a dash and into an is equals to bc whole square by ca whole square. Now we want to show this result. So first we are writing the given data here. Given ellipses x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. And next we take one point P on the ellipse, that is P is equals to a cos theta comma b sin theta is the point on the ellipse. Now we take the LHS value. Therefore LHS is equals to, what is LHS value? Pn whole square by a dash n into an, and this is equals to Pn whole square. What is Pn value from the diagram? Clearly here we have that Pn is equal to b sin theta, that is b sin theta whole square by a dash n. A dash n is equals to, this value is equals to a. So a dash n is equals to Cn plus Ca dash. Cn plus Ca dash, that is a plus a cos theta. A dash n is equals to a plus a cos theta. A plus a cos theta into an. What is an value? An is nothing but a minus a cos theta. Ca minus Cn is equals to an, that is a minus a cos theta. A minus a cos theta, and this is equals to b square sin square theta by, taking a common here, a into 1 plus cos theta into a into 1 minus cos theta, which is equals to b square sin square theta by a into a square into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta, which is equals to sin square theta. And this is equals to b square by a square. And what is b square value? From the diagram we have that the value of b is equal to bc whole square by a square. From the diagram we have that the value of a is equals to ca, that is ca whole square equals to RHS. That's all.